guys, it's Deidre from our Upcycled Life and welcome to my channel. If you like thrifting, DIYs, and repurposing, you've come to the right place and we'd love to have you follow along. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any great content. Today I'm going to show you how to age paper, just plain computer paper. So you can make it look really rustic and really old and really antique looking, and then you can add it to your projects. It's a really simple procedure, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can make it yourself. I'm actually doing a series of videos on different techniques that you can age paper. So I'll put a link below in the description for the other ones that I've done so you can go back and watch them after you've watched this one. Okay, let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to age plain computer paper with vanilla. You're going to need a little bit of paper towel for spills. The graphics I've printed off from the Graphic Fairy. She has a wonderful website full of free graphics. I'll put the link below in the description. You're going to need some vanilla, an old toothbrush, and a little dish with a sponge. Now you're just going to take your toothbrush and dip it in the vanilla, and then you're just going to flick little bits of vanilla all over the paper. I've printed this graphic off on my LaserJet printer. You can use an inkjet printer to do this, but just be aware that your ink may run. I always have the best results using my LaserJet printer, but let me know in the comments if you have an inkjet printer and you try this technique and it works good for you. Now I'm just going to take my sponge and just kind of dab it here and there, around the corners, just anywhere that I want it to be antique-y looking. And doing this technique smells so yummy. And you can go back in with the toothbrush and just flick at other little places where you just want to have little dark age spots. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Place a cookie sheet with a piece of paper into the oven at 200 degrees and keep an eye on it. It'll dry quickly, about 5 or 10 minutes. Don't walk away. Now we're ready for the last step. I like to iron my sheet of paper. It's easier to work on projects. So I take my iron on the lowest setting and I mist the top piece of paper, and then I just iron it gently until I can feel that the paper is nice and flat. So many possibilities with this technique. You can use it in scrapbooking, you can use it with your mixed media projects, you can use it to Mod Podge onto canvas or wood, or you can just put it in a picture frame. It's so neat to try all the different ones. And there you have the finished aged paper using vanilla. I have 6 other techniques in a playlist. I'll put the link below in the description. Have a watch and let me know which one's your favorite. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial, and I'd love for you to like, subscribe, and follow along. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.